Hi guys, and today we're going to be talking about Krypton. And sadly, it's nothing to do with Kryptonite or Superman. Awkward silence, okay. Enough of awkward silence, but Krypton is a colorless, odorless gas. So you can't taste it or see it. It's a gas at room temperature, so if they're rubbing Krypton in this room, who knows? Features. There are several applications for Krypton. For example, in aircraft runway lights and instabulbs are, speaking of instabulbs are bulbs, instead of using other elements, they use Krypton and a bit of tungsten. So, tungsten is already used in normal bulbs. But Krypton is added instead of the other element that's added to tungsten. Even if, when you drop a bulb, it breaks. And so does the filament inside. But in an instabulb, the bulb does not break. So, the bulb does not break. But also, the Krypton resists being thrown down. Instabulbs are a much better bulb than normal bulbs. This is fascinating. But also, what are the other uses? It is also used to date very, very old objects. It used to be carbon-14, but that can only do 5,000 years. This might seem like a lot, but Antarctic icebergs are about 2,300 years old. The material of Krypton that they use is not pure Krypton. It is an isotope of Krypton. Isotopes are extra particles that are added to an atom. As you might have learned in your science class, there are three items that make main items and elements that make an atom. They are not the periodic elements, by the way. There's a proton, there's an electron, and a neutron. So, an isotope of something, say Krypton, has an extra neutron or more extra neutrons. Krypton has 23 isotopes as this making of this video. The cost of Krypton, you might say? $32 per 100 grams. Now, here's the battle against the careful Krypton versus the almighty Xenon. Krypton is used in runway lights, strobe lights. Xenon is lavender blue and used in IMAX projectors. The Krypton fluoride lasers are used in fusion research. But Xenon is much better, so Xenon might be winning, you say. Well, Xenon is $120 for 100 grams, so I don't think Xenon is that much glorious. And anyways, drum roll. It replaced argon, and guess what its price is? 50 cents. I think this video has problems.